What's up, Panda Express? Just kidding. What's up? Welcome back to 420 Strange Reviews. We just did a video earlier. We're still baked from that shit. But we said, fuck it, we'll do another strain review. Train wreck. Because it's late as fuck. And this will knock you on your ass, put your ass to bed. So,
let's just get to this shit.
Gotta load up in a freshly cleaned Chillum. Which I think has only been on the channel like one other time. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy this video. We're just chilling here in some color changing lights with a phone with a light on pointing this way and my black light. I wish I had a white light. I don't feel like, I feel like just saying black light, I feel like people might think I'm racist.
I feel bad.
We're just kidding. Sort of.
Let it roll.
If y'all enjoy this video, please click that like button, comment down below, subscribe, click that bell button if y'all do subscribe. You already know what's up. We got, it's the first time in front of a live audience.
We got one member. We're smoking on some train wreck.
Fuck yeah.
Nug in there.
He's been in like 8, 9, 10 fucking videos now. Dude, remember that one that we had to take on your phone?
Yeah.
I still have not got that bitch to post.
Damn.
Yeah. It's really weird having like somebody else in the room. Especially when she just sits there and stares at you like she wants to lick your fucking butthole or some shit. Yeah.
We out here.
I feel like it's my turn to hit, right?
Yeah. I hate it when that blunt gets heavy.
I ain't smoking too much of this shit because my ass is already gonna be out cold. I'll probably only take one more hit and this shit. This fucking too gets really fucking hot, bro. Hey, catch. Tastes really weird when you hit it without a lip.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like flaming hot Cheetos. That's how you clear it without getting more. Yeah, I'm definitely good on that. Shit tastes amazing. It's perfect for right before you go to bed. I think I only coughed just that one time too. That chillin' was fucking great.
I love that thing.
Guys, we're so big right now.
Some good shit.
Coming up soon is honey bourbon backwood. Like I rolled a Russian cream backwood like 2 nights ago, and that shit was some fire. But that's gonna end it for this video, y'all. Hope y'all like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Till next time, peace, guys.
See ya.